Dear students, today we will learn about one of the most important topic, be prepared, which talks about some precaution to be aware, to be ready for any kind of disasters or danger. Therefore, be prepared for class 8, chapter 9. So first and foremost, the writer talking about some natural disasters, not only in India, but in other countries also. What had happened already, the writer talks about those things and then its consequences and result also the writer talks about. Now, details one by one I will discuss to you. So, natural disaster like earthquake, it happened in southwest in China, and it happened in great measure. Okay, where more than more than 15,000 people died out of this natural disaster, so-called earthquake. Okay, and more than 40,000 people were missing. Okay, this is the incident number 1. Then we will find about the incident number 2. Okay, what is the incident number 2 we are finding about? It happened in Myanmar, the super cyclone in Myanmar, and more than 1 lakh people were found dead. More than 1 lakh. It's a very vast number and terrible cyclone, terrible earthquake in China. Okay, when these things happen, so much politics also were involved in it. That military ruling party of Myanmar were not allowing foreign chief workers. When something happened, especially the natural disasters, the foreign relief workers, they come to help the people where the natural disasters took place. But the Myanmar was ruled by the military ruling party that time, and they were not allowing the foreign relief workers to work for the people or the in the place of disaster. Okay, but after all, the writer talks about now India. India was also not ready to face this kind of natural disasters, but these are common. Therefore writer is talking about be prepared always, be ready. These are common, that these things will happen, that India knowingly not taking any precaution, not ready to fight for the natural disasters. Okay, we see. In Jaipur, what happened? Bomb blast. Vast number of people died. Lot of people died. Many people died. Disaster like cyclone. Myanmar, it happened in India also many times. Floods, it's always happening. Earthquake, we know that. Tsunamis, terrorist attacks that happening nowadays also. These are always affected the life of the life of the common people. The life of the common people. The simple people. Sadharan Janagan. were being influenced and victimized. This all Jaipur bomb blast, disasters like cyclone, floods, earthquakes, tsunamis, terrorist attacks, okay, has left the people helpless. Okay, so these all has left the people helpless. Okay, and who are those people? The common people. As I said, the common people. Now people are wanting. Those who are dead, the family is sad with losing the life, the loss of life. Now those who are surviving, the people are wanting the immediate response from the department or government. Wanting the response from the government. Okay, this is how the writer is explaining and talking about be prepared always for any kind of danger, difficulties, disasters, terrorist attack, tsunami, earthquake, flood, bomb blast, cyclone, and so on, etc. etc. But to handle these responsibilities, there are some teams to work behind it, and they need to go forward to rescue the life of people, to rescue their livelihood. What are they? The responsibilities are given India's National Disaster Management Plan. Okay. They actually focuses on the disasters or destroyed place where the disasters took place already, as well as the civil society groups. They have teamwork, not alone or individual. They together make a group, and those group only work together, facilitating relief and counseling the people where the disasters took place. It is very important. As well as the trained team is required because immediate action should be taken or given, because it's the matter of loss of life. So the trained team immediate should rescue the life or the human life from any kind of danger or from destruction. Okay, so the disaster place immediately what they do actually, they actually no uh, carry out rescue operation safety approach to medical care counseling victims should be given to trained disaster managers. Okay, so when disasters take place, immediately the trained teams, these are the groups, they work together, they carry out to the people of the disaster place, they carry food, medicine, they counsel people, counseling is important, they facilitate relief and so on to the people of the disaster place. Okay. Okay. Then the writer is talking about in Bhuj quake. It is in Gujarat. Okay. The rescue operations were being stopped. Were stopped due to lack of equipments like cranes and earth movers. So writer is talking about whenever the natural disasters take place, okay, the equipments should be well arranged, and it should be always the powerful. Okay, we'll continue. So the equipments would be well arranged and well prepared, very well, like cranes, earth movers, because it is related with the loss of life of people. Okay. So the what the disaster management should do is the first and foremost, they should bring public awareness. The most important thing. The most important thing is the public awareness. They should do it. Okay, because out of panic, people run here and there and put their life is in danger. Out of panic, they run here and there and put their life is in danger. And life is very precious. Need to save. Okay. So disasters always take the life of people, the property of people. Therefore, it is very important to be prepared always. Remember that. Okay. So what the writer is talking? Because of panic, most of the people, what just I said, do what they are not supposed to do and put their life is in danger. Okay. To better precaution, the school colleges must provide course on disaster management, the activities to be done during this time, and disaster related safety rules. Okay, so the writer is talking about now the school colleges should teach the students or keep some subjects which will teach the students about the precaution, about the awareness, public awareness. But what should people do during the natural calamities or natural disasters? Therefore, writer is talking about be prepared always, always be aware about the natural disasters and never put your life is in danger because life is precious. You need to save your life. Stay happy, learn very carefully, dear students. I will send you the important questions and answers of this chapter in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.